Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sense in Essence. Today, we are going to talk about loving intellect. Now, up till today, we have been connecting love with heart and not the intellect. So, what is the difference between loving from the heart and loving from the intellect? Of course, love from the heart is also important, but when we love from the intellect, we mean that the love is based on understanding, it is based on truth, it is based on some rationality, and it is also based on something that does not change forever. It is based on something stable and imperishable. And when we talk about loving intellect, we are talking about loving this imperishable being of light that we all are. What is the sign that a somebody who has loving intellect would showcase? So, the first one is that under provocation, right? When things are not going as we thought they should, if the other person is not behaving the way in the best possible manner and many things, right? So under provocation also, when a person who has a loving intellect would always still keep on loving that other person. So, under provocation, there is no change in the love. That is the sign of a loving intellect. Second sign of the loving intellect is that there are no waste thoughts of anything that is happening. So, whatever is happening, there is full acceptance and there is um, no sort of a wandering of the mind that why and what, because this love is based on this very firm conviction and understanding that this being of light, who's a soul, is always innocent and worthy of love. The qualities of the soul are being seen, which are, like we said, eternal, and they do not change. Only the role that they are playing in the play, the physical world play, that keeps changing, but their original nature always keeps is the same. So there are no waste thoughts for someone who has a loving intellect. And so it is worthwhile to experiment with loving intellect. How do we develop loving intellect? Is to again and again see this original, the real world, the real self, for the self and also for the others who are just points of light, beings who are noble and innocent always. Then we will be able to love them unconditionally. And a big boost comes when we understand the supreme being of light, our parent, the parent of all souls. If we develop deep love with this supreme being of light, then love our loving intellect becomes even more stable, and we are able to give love and share that love with everyone that we interact with. Thank you very much.